evening, we cut across to breaking inputs coming in at this point. Nearly 300 students who have written to Chief Justice N.V. Ramana against the Central Board of Secondary Education decision to conduct the board examinations physically. I straight away want to cut across to Ananya, who's joining us on the phone line. Ananya, what are the students stating?
Around 97 students have such a time are being conducted.
Alright, that audio line is not very clear. We will try and reconnect with Ananya on that as he's picking up these latest details. What we know so far, 300 students who have written to Chief Justice N.V. Ramana, this against the Central Board of Secondary Education, that is CBSE's decision to conduct the board exams physically. Amid the rising COVID cases, and although we do understand that the cases have begun plateauing, but the scare of how this could affect students has now led to 300 students writing to the Chief Justice of India to say that they are against the CBSE's decision to conduct these board exams physically. Now remember, Prime Minister Narendra Modi had also chaired a meeting where several options were discussed as to what exactly could be done on this front and how these exams could be held if they were. But this is the CBSE's decision to conduct the board exams physically, and now 300 students writing to Chief Justice N.V. Ramana against the board's decision. I believe Ananya is back with us on the phone line. Ananya, what have these students written in that letter? Tell us specifically.
Well, yes, I'll quote it from the letter that what the students have said, that they say that at an event when the COVID-19 pandemic has hit, the students are being forced to appear in an examination, which is who is going to take the responsibility in case a student faces the wrath of COVID-19. The students have urged the Chief Justice of India to take suo motu cognizance of the issue and to look into this issue. It is also said that alternative assessment should be considered at a point when the state and the center is dealing with a pandemic-like situation in a health emergency. Alternative assessments should be taken up. Back to you.
All right, Ananya, many thanks for those details.